Namaste everyone. Let's start with today's class. So today we will be discussing about third Vyanjana Sandhi, which is the Anunasika Sandhi. First, let's see the what exactly is the Anunasika. Anunasika means a nasal letter. So Anunasika letters are the fifth letter of each varga. There are 5 vargas, right? These are the 5 vargas: Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga, and Pavarga. And what is the last letter of each varga? These are the last letters. These are the last letters of each varga. So all these letters are called as nasal letters, which is the Anunasika letters. Now our definition says, when a Vargiya Vyanjana is at the end of a padam. So Vargiya Vyanjana means any of these consonants. Any of these consonants of any varga is padanta, is at the end of a padam, and followed by a Anunasika letter. Then what will happen? The Anunasika letter will be the Adesha optionally. So this will be the replacement. This will be the replacement on the left hand side optionally. So this is what the definition says. I'll repeat the definition once again. When a Vargiya Vyanjana is a Padanta and followed by a Anunasika letter, then Anunasika letter will be a corresponding Anunasika letter will be a Adesha optionally. This is the optional Sandhi. So if a Chavarga is there and followed by a Anunasika letter, then what will happen? The corresponding nasal letter will be a Adesha of that letter. Now we'll see that with example. See these examples. Shed Mayukaha. These are the 2 letters. So first let's expand shed, Shakara plus A plus Dakara. And what is the expansion for Mayukaha? Makara plus A plus Yakara plus U plus Kakara plus Aha. These are the 2 words and expansions. Now what our definitions is, when a Vargiya Vyanjana is a Padanta and followed by a Anunasika letter, then respective Anunasika letter will be the replacement on the left hand side. So here left hand side replacement will happen. So what is the nasal letter for this Vyanjana? This Dakara belongs to Tata Dadana, right? It belongs to Tavarga. What is the nasal letter for Tavarga? This is the nasal letter. So Dakara will be replaced. This Dakara will be replaced by, one second. This Dakara will be replaced by this nasal letters. So left hand side replacement will happen, and the rest of the letters will remain as it is. And the right hand side, nothing got changed. Everything became as it is. Only the change is respective Vargiya Vyanjana will be replaced by its respective nasal letter of that Varga. That's it. Now Shed plus Mayukaha became Shen Mayukaha. Why? Nasal letter, it is replaced by nasal letter. So based on this form, the final form is Shen Mayukaha. This is the first example. We'll see one more example. See this, Mad Nivasaha. Now let's expand Mad. Makara plus A plus Dakara. And what is the expansion for Nivasaha? Nakaraha plus E plus Vakara plus A plus Sakara plus Aha. These are the 2 expansions of these 2 words. Now what will happen? The left hand side replacement will happen. Why? When a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by a nasal letter, then what will happen? The left hand side replacement. Dakara will be replaced by the respective nasal letter. Dakara belongs to Tatta Dadda Na. It's a Tavarga letter. What is the nasal letter for Tavarga? The nasal letter is Nakara. So, this Dakara will be replaced by its nasal letter. And all the rest of the letters will remain as it is. Right hand side, nothing got changed because only it's a left hand side replacement. So, everything became as it is. So, the final form is Mad plus Nivasaha became Mannivasaha. So, this is the second example. We'll see one more example to get more clarity. See this example. Tvag plus Nochanam. What is the expansion for Tvag? Takara plus Vakara plus A plus Gakara. And what is the expansion for Nochanam? Nakara plus O plus Chakara plus A plus Nakara plus A plus Makara. Now, a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by a nasal letter. So, what will happen? Left hand side replacement will happen. This Gakara will be replaced by respective corresponding nasal letter. What Gakara belongs to Chavarga. What is the nasal letter for Chavarga? This is the nasal letter for Chavarga. So, this Gakara will be replaced by its nasal letter. And the rest of the letters will remain as it is. And right hand side nothing got changed. So, Tvag plus Nochanam became Tvangmochanam. Now Gakara disappeared, so that's why Tvangmochanam. So this is the third example. This is the optional Sandhi. Now we'll see one more rule. If the following letter is a Anunasika letter, belongs to a Maya Pratyaya or Matra Pratyaya. These are the two pratyayas, two of the multiple pratyayas. Pratyaya means affix. So, if the following letter, if a Vargiya Vyanjana followed by a Anunasika letter, that belongs to a Maya Pratyaya or Matra Pratyaya, then what will happen? This Sandhi is a mandatory. Normally, it is a optional Sandhi. But when it will become a mandatory? When this condition satisfied. When the following letter is a Anunasika letter that belongs to a Maya Pratyaya or Matra Pratyaya, then only this Sandhi is a mandatory. Example for this is Chit plus Mayam. Then it will become Chinmayam. Expand this and then try it out. So Chit plus Mayam, it became Chinmayam. So why? Because here Maya Pratyaya is there. So that's why it is a mandatory Sandhi only in this case. Otherwise it is optional. So we'll see the definition once again. So Anunasika Sandhi is, the Anunasika letters are nasal letters which are the last letter of each 5 vargas, 5 groups. The last letters are these 5 letters are nasal letters. And the first case is, the definition is when a Vargiya Vyanjana is at the end of a padam, in the sense is a padanta. When any of these consonants are at the end of a padam and followed by a Anunasika letter, following by any of the nasal letters, then what will happen? Anunasika, that corresponding Anunasika letter will be its Adesha optionally. So these are the corresponding Anunasika letters and it is a optional Sandhi. When it will become mandatory? As I said, the condition. If the following letter is a Anunasika letter that belongs to a Maya Pratyaya or Matra Pratyaya, only in that case the Sandhi is mandatory. Otherwise it is a optional Sandhi. This is what about Anunasika Sandhi. So we are done with today's class. In the next class we will see the 4th Vyanjana Sandhi. Thank you all for joining.